11, 12, 13. One more.
Okay, now what?
You don't know. Who goes next or how do you?
Can't go. Just draw one.
Are we
Okay,
just making
so-
matches? Is that all we're doing?
So you must have to
Oh, that must just be how they play then.
draw one and put it in here, I guess. Huh?
Mom, that's not match.
Match? You don't know? You got to figure out how to play the game.
That's a match, isn't it?
Yeah. You have to have three.
You have to have three.
Yeah, three of the same color if you want. Wait.
3 of the same number.
Yeah, 3 of the same color.
Well, what about?
You can get 3 or
How about
4.
that? Can that be? Then I've got that.
Yes.
So, but I can't do anything with these.
Nope.
You got to get a match is a group of 3 or 4 tiles of the same number in different colors.
Okay.
A run is a set of 3 or more consecutive numbers all in the same colors. So like you can get a 1, 2, 3, and that would be a
And
run.
like all black.
And all red or black, right.
I'll
just
watch. Like 1,